So now that I've got my logo mark, I also want to add some logo type as part of this as well. So I'm going to do this on a separate frame. So I've got my logo mark here. Next to it, I'm going to make a new frame. So click here and make it next to it, something that looks a little bit like this. There we go. Again, I'm just going to make this frame have a name, logo type. So in here, it's going to look kind of the same. I'm going to use the same kind of typeface as what we have here. The typeface that I'm using is Josephine Sands. So in here, I'm just going to quickly type in Aria. Oop, if I spell the name correctly. Oslo. And again, what I can do is fill this in a certain color, give it a certain size. Maybe I want to make this a little bit bigger. So here, first thing I'm going to do is fill it in. Well, remember, I've got a fill which has a color. So I'm going to use the blue, the mid blue color. And again, I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger just to kind of fill this in. How would it look next to that? I'm not too worried about how it looks next to this just yet. I kind of just want to fill this in some space. Maybe I'm going to make this a little bit wider. There we go. And make it in the middle. Perfect. And now what I can do is play around with some of this type as well, and maybe make it messed up as well. Maybe I want to make it uppercase. So how would I make it, for instance, uppercase? Well, in here I could just literally write it as uppercase. I can also change some of this stuff using more options. So for instance, I might want to make it all uppercase like this, change some of the spacing between some of the letters, so maybe make it a little bit tighter, for instance. So again, I can just go in here, make it minus 10%, a little bit too tight, maybe -5, a little bit nicer. Now, one thing that I could do is really mess around with this type and just right click and do outline stroke. And what this will do is it'll let me actually kind of play around with this. I could stretch it, I can add some more things to it, I can add some more shapes and give it a mask. But here what I've got is some kind of control over this. I can change some of the letters, double click, and I can actually change some of this completely if I really wanted to. But here what I've got is a basic logo type. In the next video, what we're going to do is combine the two things together, and we'll talk about how we can make this really, really easy.